Pretty Janet is our sign language interpreter. Now, learning in public universities has been paralyzed after the teaching staff downed tools over the 10.5 billion shillings unpaid arrears. University Academic Staff Union, WASU, announced the commencement of the strike on Tuesday, a move that saw learning come to a halt in public universities. And now, students have threatened to hold demos in solidarity with lecturers. And Musungu reports.
University workers nationwide have commenced strike over delayed arrears, summing up to 7.8 billion shillings from the 2017-2021 CBA and 2.7 billion shillings from the 2021-2025 deal. In Nairobi, KUSU Secretary General Charles Mukwaya accused the government of failing to honor the agreed return to work formula and neglecting its responsibility to settle outstanding arrears.
For those two CBAs, 7.9 billion for the 2017-2021 CBA, 2.73 billion for the 2021-2025 CBA. If that money is not paid, hawa wafanyikazi hawarudi wapi? Hawarudi. Why should anyone wait to the eve of our strike to give us what? Another 2 weeks to pay? Those are games.
Similar sentiments were echoed at Kirinyaga University, Dedan Kimathi University, Technical University of Kenya, Technical University of Mombasa, and Eldoret University, where staff alike expressed frustration over unmet demands, warning that the ongoing standoff could escalate further if the government fails to intervene and provide a lasting solution.
We have had a lot of discussions with government. We have kept our end of the bargain. Our members have always been doing their duties diligently despite the challenges the government has been bringing up.
Imekuwa ndio hali ya serikali, hawasikii lugha yoyote mpaka watu waimbe, waache kufanya kazi, na sisi tuko tayari. Tutawapatia kile wanachotaka.
Dedan Kimathi have been here seated on our money, chewing it, I don't know with which mouth, when we are yawning.
We shall leave this place only to the bank.
Students' fate remain uncertain as they have threatened to join striking university staff should the government fail to address their workers' demands by September 18th.
We cannot be in school kama tufunzwi. So this week, tulikuja last week from home na hatuja attend class because of the lecturers.
As university staff begin their strike today, questions linger until when and what is the fate of students who just got back to the university less than a month ago? Anne Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.
Meanwhile,